Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. With the help of Allah, once again this year, the Ahmediyya Muslim community Bulgaria, with the financial support of Humanity First Germany, successfully prepared meat and distributed food to 7,380 people across 13 different locations in the country. These are Hamanli, Simonovgrad, Kazanlak, Burgas, Varna, Razgrad, Plovdiv, Sofia, Blagovgrad, Simitli, Sandansky, Lom, and Berkovica. The food and meat products were distributed to refugee centers for asylum seekers, home social care services, hospitals, social centers, visually impaired families, individual people in need, municipalities, and other institutions. Members of Khuddam al-Ahmadiyyah Bulgaria chose to dedicate their time to serving those in need rather than focusing solely on personal celebrations. In a heartfelt gesture of compassion, they donated and distributed meat in 4 locations across Plovdiv. These are the sheltered housing for people with mental retardation, the family-type accommodation center for children without disabilities, Mother Teresa, the shelter for homeless people run by the Future for Bulgaria Foundation, and the family-type accommodation center for children without disabilities, Children's House. Each recipient also received a warm Eid card spreading a message of hope, love, and unity. For the second year in a row, volunteers from the Majlis Khuddam al-Ahmadiyyah visited a local hospital to distribute food packages to cancer patients and medical staff, a gesture that has touched many hearts. Each package contained a carefully prepared meal, accompanied by a heartfelt Eid greeting card. This small token carried a big message, one of solidarity, care, respect for those battling illnesses, and for the staff tirelessly supporting them. For many, the act of kindness was both unexpected and deeply moving. In fact, apart from a similar effort made last year, again by the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, hospital staff confirmed that such a gesture has never been witnessed before in the area.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نشكركم جزيل الشكر وجزاكم الله عنا خير الجزاء لمساعدتكم اللاجئين في كامب بلغاريا، ونشكر منظمة Humanity First على هذه المساعدة. والسلام عليكم.
Presented to you by Ata Ul Hay Sohail, MTA News.